On my trip to the Florida Keys, one of my favorite things to eat for dessert was key lime pie. Now, making it at home can be a little time consuming and difficult, so why don't we make individual key lime tartlets and throw in some supermarket shortcuts to speed the whole process along. Now, what we're going to do first is make the custard, and this is super easy and employs some supermarket shortcuts that you can easily find at your local market if you don't already have them in your kitchen cabinet. Now, this is sweetened condensed milk. That's going to go inside a mixing bowl. This is already thick, so this is going to really help bind the custard mixture together. Then key lime juice, something else you can buy in the supermarket. And then we're going to add in some egg yolks and some key lime zest. Now, get out your hand mixer, and this will come together really quickly. So after just a few minutes, your custard, your filling, is complete. Now, our key lime tartlet shells. This is another supermarket shortcut. You buy these in the supermarket, they're all ready to go and already in individual little pie pans. We'll grab a spoon and we'll fill these up right to the top, preheat our oven, and get them inside so they can begin to bake. So once the tartlets come out of the oven, you want to let them cool first and then transfer them to the refrigerator. They can stay there for an hour or two overnight. Just make sure they're cooled completely before you get them into the fridge. So once they've been in the refrigerator for at least an hour or overnight, pull them back out, and that's when we're going to top them with a little whipped topping and then give them a little garnish, and you've got individual perfection when it comes to key lime tartlets.